अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करते हैं आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। वी वेलकम यू ऑल इन टुडेज लेक्चर which is psychology as a science of behavior. Here is some interesting definition in psychology. First of all, we have to understand what is behavior. What behavior means. It means our response or reactions to any kind of stimulus. So here is we should know about stimuli. Stimuli is anything that prompts you to do anything, which is called stimuli. After all, what a living thing does is generally known as behavior. We should clear about it. When this kind of definition was adopted for psychology, it gained a lot of fame and acceptance. As we discussed already, in order to understand the minds of other persons and animals, we have to study the behavior, because one common link is behavior. We cannot predict what is going on in internal of the body, but we can study the behavior of different bodies. We are here some different philosophers, psychologists. The first one would be J.B. Watson. He was that person who claimed that psychology is the study of behavior, that is what organisms do. Organism means any kind of living things, their action, reaction and responses. The interesting fact is the behavior of organism is observable and can be measured. Not only propagated this concept, but also criticized the concepts like soul, mind and consciousness, because these concepts are abstract. He declared that anything which can't be experimented must be thrown out of psychology. Here is second one, Pillsbury. He was the first person who used that term in psychology. What is science of behavior? We should clear about it. Third one, McDougall also adopted this definition for psychology. Fourth one, Thorndike. Thorndike, he made a lot of contribution in psychology. Thorndike conducted many experiments on animals and introduced the most important method of learning, which is called trial and error method, and he known as behaviorist psychologist. There is some other one, Pavlov and Skinner. He proposed the laws of conditioning, which we will discuss in the next chapters. The laws of learning while experimenting on animals. With these rules, human behavior can also be explained and controlled. As Watson says, individual learns from his environment, and I also believe in. He conducted successful experiments on small children and animals and explained the stimulus response formula, SR formula, we can say SR formula. Stimulus, we already discussed, anything that can prompt you to do something, that is called stimulus. Response is actually our behavior of that stimulus. Stimulus is studied as illicit behaviors, which can see rewards or punishment maintained by the responsive. But SR is not concerned with that, what goes inside the organ. It means this kind of definition, for example, science of behavior, totally ignored the mental processes. So it was criticized and amended as SOR. It included organisms. Otherwise it become a mechanical if there will be no mental processes. Later on, behaviorists conducted a lot of experiments and became dominated during first half of 20th century. Experimentation on behavior made the prediction easy, because we know that behavior is the common link, but it's not enough to study the behavior only. So here is some criticism in which we discuss, as Watson stressed on obvious behavior, obviously which we can say, we can measure. He didn't realize the importance of mental process. As we discussed already, it totally ignored the mental processes. Behavior seems just like a mechanical response without mental processing. If we ignore the mental processes, it becomes just a machine. Watson discarded the concepts of consciousness, subconscious, and unconscious, which have a lot of importance in psychology. Humanistic psychologists give a lot of importance to intrinsic motivation, but behaviorists have no room. Now we will sum it. The definition given by behaviorists can be modified to meet the need. If mental processes are included in it, then our criteria will be met. It can become the definition of as the science. Thank you so much. Today's topic is over. अपनी दुआ में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.